Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. We are here with a tutorial on how to use the Quotex broker platform. As you can see, after logging into your user account, we are on the platform page. In this section, you can see the chart, and we can change the desired currency by clicking this option where we can choose from currency pairs, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and stocks. As you can see, we are currently in our live account and we can access our demo account by clicking this option. When we enter our demo account, we see an environment similar to the live account. On the right side of the platform, we can activate the pending trade option, which allows us to activate trades based on price or time. In the next section, we specify the duration of our trade, which can vary. For example, we will choose 5 seconds. In the next section, we specify the amount of capital we intend to invest in each trade, for example, $1. As you can see, the profit or loss from this trade can be 90%. The prediction options allow us to forecast that the market will move upwards from its current position in the next 5 seconds. By clicking this option, we open our trade, and after 5 seconds, the profit will be withdrawn. On the left side of the chart, we have the sentiment of traders. And as you can see, most traders intend to buy. By clicking the plus sign, you can add another drawing to your chart. In the bottom left, by clicking this option, you can use drawing tools and lines for your analysis, such as Fibonacci retracement, Gann box, horizontal lines, and pitchfork. In the next part, by clicking this option, you can select your time frame, which ranges from 5 seconds to 1 day. In the next part, you will select the type of chart, which is currently in candlestick format. And in the next section, you can use the indicators specific to this site. For example, moving average, zigzag, etc. Well, this was a comprehensive tutorial on using the Quotex broker platform. Stay with us for future tutorials. Goodbye.